Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Bao Chan.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Where do you live?
I'm Vincent Town.
Alright, today is your speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, now tell me what number is this?
40.
Good.
50. 1. 30. 11. 5. 19. 3. 10. 17.
Okay, what number is this?
18. 15. 1. 8. 19. 4.
12.
12. 16. 9.
20.
20. 17. 3. 5.
Okay. Now tell me what is this?
Is the bike. Is the boat. Is the car. Is the kite. Is a circuit. Is a
Seesaw.
seesaw. Is a swing. Is a
It's a slide.
slide. Is a swing.
Okay. Is it a bike?
No, it's eating. It's a boat.
Is it a seesaw?
No, it is. It's the.
Is it a seesaw?
No, it's
No? Yes, it is.
that it is.
Okay. Is it a kite?
Yes, it is.
Okay. What is this?
It's a eye.
Eye.
Eye. It's the ear.
No, it's okay. Ear.
Ear.
Good.
It's a arm.
Arm.
Arm. It's a leg.
Okay.
It's a foot.
Foot.
It's a long tail. It's a tail.
Okay.
It's a short tail.
Alright. What sound is this?
It's
Okay. Examples.
sharp.
Sharp. Okay.
Sharp.
Cash.
Cash.
Shine.
Side.
Okay. What is this? Shout.
Shout.
Okay. What sound is this? Examples.
Cherry. Chocolate. Cheer.
Sure. Okay. Now tell me, what have you got?
It's a dress.
I have got.
I have got the dress. It's
I
a
have-
lucky.
I have got.
I have got lucky.
What have you got? I have got.
I have got pizza
Shirt.
shirt. It's
I
have got this
no, I
shoe.
have got shoes.
I have got shoe.
What have you got?
I
No.
have
I have got
I have got
skirts.
skirt.
Okay.
It's a sock.
I have got
I have got
socks.
sock.
What have you got?
I have got trousers.
Very good.
I have got shirt.
T-shirt.
T-shirt.
Okay, Bao-chan, what are you wearing?
It's
I'm wearing
is red,
I'm wearing purple
purple,
and
and pink.
dress.
Red.
What are you wearing?
Red.
I'm wearing
Pink and yellow
skirts.
skirt.
Okay. What are you wearing?
Is
Wearing-
blue
I'm wearing
blue
shoes. Okay. What is this?
is a bed. Is a chair.
Good.
Is a
Clock.
clock. Is a
Desk.
desk. Is a door. Is a lamp. Is a
Wardrobe.
wardrobe. Is a window.
Is it a chair?
That is it.
Is it a door?
No, is eating. Is a bed.
Okay. Is it a desk?
No, is eating. Is a
Wardrobe.
wardrobe.
Okay. All right. Now look at the picture and tell me, how is the bed? The bed is a boat.
Boat.
How is the wardrobe?
Wardrobe is
The wardrobe is a car.
car.
Okay. How is the window? The window is
A
slide.
slide.
Okay. Now tell me, how many doors are there? How many doors are there?
Four.
There are.
There are 4 doors.
How many elephants are there?
And
There are.
there are 3.
There are.
There are 4,
5
5
elephants.
elephants.
Okay. What sound is this? What's this?
Clock.
Clock.
Black. Duck.
Kick. Okay. Thank you so much, Bao Chan. Goodbye.
Goodbye.